October 8th, 2020 vocabulary. So we are going to match our definitions over here in the scrolls to our vocabulary terms. Whoa. All right, so let's take a look at our first scroll. The breakdown of a composite number into a product of prime numbers. So that means when you factor down a number into prime numbers, so that's our prime factorization. So remember, you're going to click this, you're going to take that one arrow part, and you are going to connect it to the matching definition. How about this? The numbers we can multiply together to get another number. This is going to be our factor. So the numbers that you can multiply together to get another number. Factor. All right, the result of multiplying a number by an integer. So if we multiply a number by an integer meaning another number, for example, if we have 3 and we multiply that by 1, that's 3. If we have 3 and we multiply it by 2, that's 6. If we have 3 and then we multiply it by 3, that's 9. What are we finding? Multiples. So we're going to take that and we are going to drag it to that scroll. Alrighty, a number that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. We know that that's a prime number. Prime number. Woohoo! Alright, a positive integer that has at least one divisor other than 1 in itself. So not necessarily a prime number, but this is going to be a composite number. So it's going to have more, maybe, more than one factor. So that is going to be a composite number. Now, the biggest number that will divide 2 or more other numbers exactly. So the biggest number that will divide 2 or more other numbers exactly. The greatest common factor. What about the smallest positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers? The smallest. Remember that keyword smallest and least. That's going to mean, that's going to be our least common multiple. And we have all of our little dots connected, and that is our vocabulary.